The lacquered finish on the dial provides a luxurious sheen, shifting subtly under different lighting conditions. What's up people, welcome back to my channel. The Longines Legend Diver has long been a celebrated watch in the realm of vintage-inspired dive watches, drawing from the brand's rich history. In 2007, Longines launched their modern reiteration of the Model 7042 back in 1959, which is measured at 42mm. Subsequently, the 36mm was introduced to capture the smaller wrist market. And in 2023, Longines heard your cry from the depth of the Mesopelagic zone and came out with their 39mm variants in black and blue. For those who seek for an enlivening lifestyle and shun away from boring colors, fear not. In 2024, in celebration of the Legend Diver's 65th anniversary, Longines added 3 additional colors variant: the Terracotta Red, the Green Goblin, and the Gandalf the Grey. I know, I'm bad with giving nicknames, so bear with me. The latest iteration introduces a refreshed look with a captivating colored dial while maintaining the technical robustness and heritage-inspired aesthetic that the Legend Diver series is known for. In this detailed review, we'll explore the design, technical specification, movement, and overall wearability of this timepiece to help you understand what makes it stand out. Thanks to Sincere Fine Watches, I was given the opportunity to check out some of their timepieces, and yes, they do carry the brand Longines with them. What I have before me are the grey, the green, and the blue variants. Since they practically are the same watch, save for their colors, and the green is the more popular color, I'll just focus on this piece in this video. The super compressor design case is compressed to the following specification with brush finish on the side and polished surface on the lugs. The external bezel sitting on the case is raised and polished, so is the flank used on the case back. The twin screw-in crown at the 2 and 4 o'clock position are pretty sizable with sharp notches and a cross-hatch design engraved on them. Currently, the new colors only come with this beads of rice bracelet as compared to the black and the blue dial, which you can have the option to pair them with a brown leather strap or a blue synthetic strap. The beads of rice style is another nod to vintage watchmaking, as it was a popular bracelet design in the mid-20th century. The smaller links in the center are all polished and the larger outer links are brushed with their sides polished. They've got screw pins to help with micro adjustments. I like how their links are all consistently the same size. The bracelet tapers down from 20mm to 15.8mm. The double safety folding clasp also has a brushed and polished surface with its wing hourglass logo on it. The sides and the pushes of the clasps are polished finish. The micro adjustment on the clasps can be easily done by pressing the inner clasps to move it. Whilst the bracelet and clasp design may appear a little too dressy for a dive watch, it's probably a preferred option for urban street wearers. The closed screw-down case back features an embossed diver on a matte and polished surface with some information of the watch displayed on it. I like how they are properly aligned, albeit it is a screw-down case back. Housed within it is a COSC certified Longines caliber L888.6 and automatic movement based on an ETA A31.L11. This movement has been upgraded from the earlier models featuring a 72 hours power reserve up from the previous 60 hours. The movement is equipped with a silicone balance spring, which is crucial in enhancing the watch's resistance to shock and magnetic fields. The magnetic resistance meets the ISO 764 standards, ensuring that the watch remains highly accurate in various environments. The AR-coated box-shaped sapphire crystal sits very high on the case, further exhuming its vintage DNA, reminiscing of the acrylic crystal used in the original divers. But must it really be that high? The lacquered finish on the dial provides a luxurious sheen, shifting subtly under different lighting conditions. The dial layouts remains faithful to the vintage inspiration of the original 1960s Legend Diver, with raised Arabic numerals at the 12, 13, 6 and 9 o'clock position and raised linear hour indices. These numerals, as well as the hour markers and rhodium-plated hands, are treated with superluminova in both green and blue for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. The hands are also arrow-shaped, staying true to its heritage design. All printings and wordings on the dial are in white. The sloping internal bezel adds depth to the aesthetic, which is operated by the crown position at the 2 o'clock. It is bidirectional and features a 60-minute scale with a luminous triangle at the 0 position. Matching the dial color, the green bezel continues the cohesive design language of the watch. There is no date window on the dial, keeping the aesthetic clean and uncluttered, which purists will appreciate for its vintage authenticity. The 39mm case makes this model perfect for a wide range of wrist sizes, appealing to both men and women. The relatively slim profile of the watch ensures it wears comfortably under the cuffs, which makes it versatile enough for formal settings despite being a dive watch. Additionally, the green dial adds a pop of color without being too bold, making it an excellent choice for someone who wants to stand out subtly. While the watch is highly functional as a dive tool, it is also clear that this Longines Legend diver will attract enthusiasts who appreciate vintage aesthetics and modern craftsmanship. The COSC certified movement, long power reserve, and magnetic resistance ensures that this is a timepiece that performs as well as it looks. With the price point as seen below, the Longines Legend diver offers significant value considering the technical specification, brand heritage, and aesthetic appeal. For collectors, or those seeking a reliable, stylish, and high-performance dive watch, this model delivers on all fronts including a 5-year international warranty. However, would you prefer this over the Tudor blancpain 58, which rivals very closely in terms of spec and pricing? Do let us know in the comments below of which would you choose and why. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon to support me, and I'll really appreciate and promise to make more videos like this. Take care now, bye bye now.